How to put money in Binance account. So basically, if you would like to put your money in Binance account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Binance application, and once you launch the Binance app, there are many ways to add money. So first, you can just directly choose to buy crypto with your USD or funds by just going to this add funds from the home page, selecting buy with USD and entering a payment method to buy cryptocurrency. Or if you only want to deposit fiat currency to your Binance account, then you can also come to the wallets tab from the bottom right. Go to this option right here that says deposit. From here we will select USD because USD is what we're trying to add, but you can choose any of the other fiat currency, right? So once you've selected that, it says deposit fiat, so make sure to choose your respective currency and a payment method which is available based on the currency you've chosen. Then you can just tap on the continue button. You can enter the amount of currency that you want to add. So let's say I want to add 100 euros. I will select that. If you select USD, you can add 100 USD, whatever else it is you prefer. Then you can choose to pay them using this card, or you can choose to add a new card or tap on the pay now option. Just go ahead and make sure to enter your card information. If you have money in the card, then it will be deposited to your Binance account. And this way you should be able to put money in your Binance account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.